Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad that you're here. This is my first attempt to do an English video, but I hope you guys understand everything that I'm bringing. So today I'm gonna talk about the Node version manager. That is a tool that gives you facility to download and deploy in Node.js project. It gives you the ability to manage different Node.js versions, and also it simplifies the Node.js installation process. So basically you have a tool that allows you to install more than one version of the node in your machine. So I will show you guys how to install the NVM, and then I'm gonna show you in practice how easy and how fast you can change from one Node.js version to another. First of all, I'm gonna let the link in the description below. You can just click and then you're gonna reach here. So coming down here, if you are a Linux user, you can just use the bash and use these command lines. But in my case that I'm using Windows, just go down here and NVM Windows. We click here, and now down below here we have this button, download now. We're gonna click here, and then gonna click here in nvm setup.exe. And after you download it, the installation process, it's all that same. You just click next, install. I don't gonna install because I already have it on my computer. And then after you have installed it, you can just access your terminal. I'm gonna run it as an administrator. Let me see here. I'm gonna do a CLS to clear. Just zoom it here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you in practice how the NVM helps you and make the things easy. So the first command that I'm gonna show you, it's the nvm install, and then we just put here the version that we want of the Node.js. The LTS version now today that is released is the 16.15.0, but I'm gonna install the latest one, the current version, the current latest version, that is the 18.2.0. So you can see that in a few time, just a couple of seconds, and then it's already installed, and you already can use this version of the node very quickly, and you have this facility, and you can just came here and just install another version, like the LTS version, and it will install very quickly. So now that we installed it, we can just select with the NVM use, and again the version that we want to use. And now we are using the node 18.2.0. And the next one is the NVM list, because after you install a bunch of Node.js version, you have to know the versions that are installed. So if we go here, you can see that is on the 18.2.0, but we can just like put nvm use, and then I can just go here, and now I am using the LTS version. So you can see the facility and the time that we spare using this tool. And the last command that I'm gonna show you, it's the nvm uninstall. Then we just select the version very quickly, again, like 2 seconds, and we already uninstalled the version. So that's it. I hope that I helped it a little bit. And again, sorry if I spoke something wrong or I said something funny, but I'm kind of nervous. It's my first attempt to do an English video, and I wish to you all the best.